To make your puppet theater, these are the items that you will need. Okay, we're going to make a puppet theater out of a cereal box. So first we're going to cut out the box, just the back portion of it, the sides and the bottom attached to it still. Now this is a good activity if your children can use scissors. Good practicing for fine motor. Okay, next we're going to cut a square out from the middle of the puppet theater. So cut out my square. Okay, for the next part, this part your child can do, so you can pick any color of paint that you want to paint your puppet theater, and you're going to paint the whole thing. So the sides, the top, the other side, and the very bottom. So you're going to cut a piece of fabric, any kind of fabric that you have, and make sure it's large enough that it covers over top of the stage that's there. And I'm just going to cut it up the middle. Okay, next we're going to make the loop to put either, if you have a chopstick or a dowel, just something that will fit over top of where you want to hang your curtains on top. Okay, so we're going to now take one piece of your curtain, make a loop over, staple in place, and then thread the dowel or chopstick through it. So you're just going to take your dowel and you're going to put it over top of the opening there, and then you're going to tape it, and then if you flip it over, there's your curtains that you can move back and forth. See? You're going to take the sides, okay, and bend them inwards, okay, which is the top and the bottom actually of the cereal box. And then the side you're going to fold in again, and now we're going to tape these together so they make a box shape, okay? So we're going to fold it in like this. See the corners? You're going to fold them in however you want. Doesn't matter whichever way. Now that we have finished making our puppet theater, it's time to decorate it. You can add stickers or glue loose parts to it. Some benefits are problem solving while making the puppet theater. It stimulates imagination while playing with the puppets. And while you're having a conversation with the puppets, it encourages language development.